Okay, find the helper in hotel and tell the authorities that Mr. Immune would like a word. Oh, I hope the soldiers at the helper inn are still alive. Whoa. Bill City's on fault lines, folks. The Helper Inn Hotel. Well, this is it. Not as lively as I'd hoped. The evac is definitely over, but the army could still be holed up inside. Someone didn't want anything getting out. This is not looking good. Someone alive?
We have shelter here, and we have some medical facilities. If you're wounded, if anyone is out there, you're welcome. Please, come here and join us. We're stronger together.
Radio. I could contact the authorities. Gotta find a way to open this door.
I can hear you. I swear I will carve my name on your heart. That's Major J.S. Booker. I'm waiting.
What the fuck? What did I do? Hey, Major! I need to contact the authorities. I'm coming to find you. And don't kill me. What the fuck is all this? I gotta know what the army was doing here. Caustic X? Oh, some kind of industrial solvent. And they had gallons of it. Something was going into the drains. Pumping this crap out of the pool. Jesus. The army filled the pool with solvent and just tossed the bodies in. When it got full, they pumped the meat soup straight into the drains. Oh, this is so fucked up.
Hey, if you're still looking for your lover boy, he's in the pool, mingling. But don't worry, sweetheart. You can still have your first dance.
Oh, great. She's fucking crazy. $10 says she's behind this body-melting nightmare. Fuck, she's woken everything up.
Room service. This is Major Booker in 307. Bring more booze.
Room 307. Well, that crazed bitch is still my best chance of making contact. Gotta be a side entrance or something. What is she talking to?
Oh, shit! Grenades?
A bachelorette parties that can't get enough of me, but not one invite to the weddings. Okay, stairs. I need room 307. The 200s. Need the next floor up.
Hey! Hey, you big bright fella! Still waiting! 307! Let's finish this!
Okay, go around or try to put this out.
You killed my man. I'll make you pay for everyone's act. Should have put you in the pool with your
see if that was the power. Bingo. Okay, third floor. Where's 307? I hope the quake did this, not whatever the Major's been hollering at. Those things look smashable.
You think you won, don't you? Your little hickey doing its work. But I'm gonna remember. I'll find you, and I'll eat your heart out.
Shit, I gotta hurry.
This is a terrible idea. Here goes. That did not sound good. Shit. Here goes. Oh, great. So much for the Major. The radio in the ballroom is my only chance now. Key must be here. The master key. Oh, thank fuck. Back to the ballroom, then, before that thing finds me. Music.
Figures. Cable I needed is ripped in two. Whew! Solved my power problem.
Finally made it.
I'm broadcasting from the Sterling Hotel in Santa Monica. We have shelter here, and we have some medical facilities. If you're wounded, we can treat you. If anyone is out there, you're welcome. Please, come here and join us. We're stronger together.
Chloroform. People in the pool went in alive. Oh, fuck you, Major Booker. Fuck you.
Hello? Can you hear me?
I hear you. I'm Dr. Reed. Did you hear my message? Where are you?
I'm Ryan, in Bel Air. I'm trying to contact the authorities.
Well, you sort of have. I'm part of the CDC team in LA. I was anyway. Are you, do you think you might be infected?
No, the opposite, actually. I was bitten and yeah, I thought I was fucked, but I got better.
You got bit? Oh my God.
It's like I'm immune. It's gotta be worth something to someone, right?
Oh, it's worth something, all right. We've been looking for you. Well, someone like you for our vaccine program.
Doc, I gotta go. I'll be in touch.
Hey, wait! I need you! You have to get here! Hello? Hello? You okay? You have to get it! Can you hear me?
Bachelorette party from hell.
Till death do us part. And about fucking time. Dr. Reed, can you hear me?
You there? Oh, thank God! What happened?
A big fucking zombie happened. I'm gonna need help getting to Santa Monica, but I got an idea. I'll be in touch, okay?
Yeah, okay. It's vital you stay alive.
Yeah, no fucking shit. Okay, back to Emma's. If I can get everyone at Emma's to come, I bet we can make it to Santa Monica alive. Just gotta tell Emma about this doctor, and she'll persuade Sam and the others to come with us. I am getting out of here. Fuck yeah.
Ugh. Now it's raining zombies?
Were bots. So, where's our ride out? Private jet, chopper, jetpack?
What? Who are you?
Duh. I'm Amanda Styles. LA's top trending girl in the juicy flesh. But, oh, fuck! You didn't see my video? Thought I'd upload it for sure this time.
Why are you exploding zombies? Oh, don't tell me you're filming this.
Yep. Catching this shit show on camera. When my videos of flying zombie guts go viral, they'll be racing to send it to choppers to save our butts from LA.
I guess it could pressure the government to break quarantine and come rescue us.
Right? Problem is, it's pretty hard to get good footage while killing corpses. Oh shit! Idea! We collaborate! We lure suckers up here. You finish them off Amanda style, and I get crystal clear shots.
All right, I'll kill some zombies for your video. Just make sure I don't turn into a fucking meme, okay?
Then let's fucking go! Blast some tunes and knock any loser that shows up off the motherfucking roof! Let them bodies hit the floor! And no swearing in the first minute. I'm already on 2 strikes.
I am sure this content violates the terms of service.
Hey, you bestie! Straight up torture porn AF! Great! We need to get the world watching, so I'm counting on my armada to get this video to 1 million beautiful likes. You in my future escaping LA. Let's love! You don't need more than me. To Burninate the Dead! Best video ever! Let's go! Someone, government, has blocked our online signal. They might try to take this video down, so make sure to subscribe to not miss anything. Can we get some big fat F's in the comments for that one? I could tell they were one of my armada. I wanted that. And shout out to my collab partner here. For all their crazy help in this video. I realized I didn't have his name. I'll edit it in later. Right, but there's still some left. Just kill those losers however you like. Awesome! Finish them off Amanda style. Shock the world and show them your wildest moves. Remember to follow, subscribe, slam that like button like they when their parents aren't home. That's it for this video. Armada dismissed. Fade in music, hold for suggested vids, scene. Yo, we're done. So get that sweet butt over here. Can I call you bestie? I don't want to alarm you, but that was awesome! We are going to be so famous when this goes live.
Yeah, that was pretty good, huh? But we did this to get rescued, right?
That's still plan A, but no reason I can't raise my name value too. Not that either's happening without a stable internet connection.
There's a group of us holed up at Emma John's. You can figure out how to, upload there.
What? Bestie? I know you aren't suggesting we break up the team. We can roam this city, creating beautiful content together. We'll get like Nobel Peace Prizes for our life-saving documentaries.
Let's quit while we're ahead, and still have our heads.
Okay, I do need to edit this. If we only get one video, it has to pop. But don't go streaming any gold behind my back.
Guess who's back? The man with the plan.
Go away.
Hey, Emma, I did it. I made contact.
Are they coming to rescue us?
No, but there's a doctor in Santa Monica. We need to get to him.
We? What's this we?
I think the survival of the human race may depend on the blood in my veins.
Really?
Okay, look, that may me sound like an asshole, but they are making a vaccine and they need me.
Well, sounds like you're the star of the show now. Break a leg?
I don't think I can make it alone. But with Sam and everyone else here, I think we could do it. We could all get out, right?
There's no way you'll get Sam to go. He's made that very clear.
Well, sure, I can't. But you could. Just put that Emma Jaunt magic to work.
I'm not a total egomaniac. I don't know why you think Sam would risk everything for me.
I just know how much he cares for you.
He had his chance.
Hey, wouldn't you like to see him come crawling after you? Be honest.
This is too big. I'm not doing anything till I talk to Michael. I'm surprised he hasn't stuck his nose in already.
Well, I'll find him. You just think about Sam, crawling on his knees. Michael.
Tried his room? Go down here, take the stairs on the right.
Guess this is... Michael?
Phew. I hope you're happy. You devil!
Hey.
Oh,
Easy.
girl! And after everything he's done for her. No, that's it. It's time we had a talk, Emma Jaunt.
Hey, will you hold on? Sorry. Can you just tell me where Michael is?
Gone. Out there.
Oh, fuck.
What did you expect? He was a supporting lead. Then this, Joe and Sam, and suddenly, poof, he's written out.
Hey, look, take a breath. Where is he gone?
Get off me! Somewhere, I don't know. To get her to notice him again.
God, is he addicted to being treated like shit? Let's face it, Emma's a total...
Hey! You don't get to talk about her, okay? You know nothing about Emma.
Okay. Jesus. Shit, I gotta find him.
Why'd you care?
Well, apparently we need him. I mean, we do need him. We need everybody.
I wonder if he would... He took his keys to his place in the hills.
Well, then I'm going there.
God moves in some really fucking mysterious ways sometimes. Perdóname, Dios.
This is pushing it even for him. Okay, sooner I leave, sooner we are back.
And I will pray for Michael.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Sam wants some guns. Got any ideas?
Not right now.
No problem, no problem. I'll fix it. That's what I do.
You guys are in my way. Oh, shit. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Maybe things will be